Hi guys, it's your favorite baby girl, Amanda Okolo, living her best life as usual. So on today's episodes of travel vlog, I made it to Ezeagu Waterfall. So Ezeagu Waterfall is located in Enugu State, Ezeagu to be precise, and Ezeagu is about 1 hour 30 minutes drive from the capital city. So this waterfall is locally called Ogbagada. I hope I'm getting the pronunciation right. So these are my lovely friends that decided to accompany me to this waterfall. So we are currently at Udi, and on our way we saw a lot of these masquerades. Ordinarily, prior to this time, used to think that masquerades only come out during festive period like Christmas, but it's currently August and they are out, so meaning I was wrong. Another thing I observed and I must commend is the good road networks at Udi. The roads were really very good compared to other communities or local governments that I've visited in this state. So we are currently at Night Mai, and this is your favorite brewery, Nigerian brewery. So another observance from this place is that it's quite busy. A lot of development has happened in this particular community, and I think it's also a good place for business. So guys, welcome to Ezeagu. Yes. Guys, development has not gotten to this place at all. Like they have the worst road I've seen in Enugu since I got here. Like the roads are so terrible. I could barely see houses around this place. Like I couldn't even see a single house apart from those that were at the entrance. But after those houses at the entrance, after those first 2 to 3 houses at the entrance, we couldn't sight a single house on our way to the stream, on our way to the waterfall, the entire journey. And it took us about 1 hour to get to the waterfall from that entrance you just saw now. That's because of the bad road. If you'd like to visit this waterfall sometime in the future, just brace yourself up for this part of the journey because it's not funny. At this point, I was just feeling like going back because it was a very long 1 hour with bad roads, like terrible roads. All we could just see were just people's farmlands and then beautiful works of nature. That was all, but the roads were nothing to write home about. Hi guys, so we just came down from the vehicle that we came with. We had to come down because the road is not exactly so good, so we have to walk for the remaining part of the journey. Although it's not so far, I can actually see the water from here. So yes, I'm excited. I can't wait to get into that water. Yes, I will also advise that you go with 1 or 2 persons that can understand the language of this community, which is Igbo, so that they can be able to interact. Entrance into this place is free. It's supposed to be free actually, but there are some community boys that will always want to just find how to get 1 or 2 from you. So when we got here, we entered freely, but leaving, they stopped us and told us to drop something. So we just gave them like 1,500 naira. Yes, so bear in mind that you have to come with somebody that is Igbo so that they don't cheat you too much, because they will try to teach you. So these are some of the indigenes of this community at one end, making good use of the water to wash their clothes. Guys, can you see that? Can you see that? So fine.
Can I be tapping that? My phone is on.
People want to see the size of the
Yes, no.
They want to see my especially got water. Yeah, but once
Hi guys, so we got into the water. I'm standing in front of the water at the moment. I'll show you guys what it looks like.
To a reasonable extent, the water at this lake or waterfall is neat, is a bit neat compared to what I was expecting. Yes. And then there are some big stones or rock underneath the river. So for those that can swim very well and would like to dive and all of that, you just have to be careful not to enjoy yourself in the process of that, because the stones under the water are a bit sharp.
Guys, when you get here and you don't feel comfortable in what you're wearing and you want to change, there's some places that you can actually change. There's some places that are kind of hidden with overgrown bushes, so you can just step in there and change to something better that you can enter the water with. I'm still indecisive. I don't know if I'm going to enter this water today because I'm a bit scared. They just told me now that it has the ability to push me. So guys, I'm a bit scared, but I might just enter the shallow parts because I came all the way from my house. I didn't come here to come and do so. So I made it. I made it in the water, as you can see. But I can't let go of this thing, so I don't go and drown.
So I and my friends decided to play a game, trying to see how long we can last in the water. It was certainly not me.
So guys, I want to get the sand and see what it looks like. I got it. I thought it would be wise, but it's a lot of stones, not exactly sand. What's your name? Can't see your chicken. Are you from Ezeagu? Can you swim very well? Can you show me what you can do? Show us, show us. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 yes! Go, Capsi! Oh, come see. Well done, well done.
Let me use.
Hi guys, so I'm in water.
I'm in water treatment. I don't know how to swim, but I love water.
I've learned how to swim. I can swim very well now. Like, baddest. Guys, so we're on our way out at the moment.
We are done.
We're done, we move.
We move.
I had fun, you can already tell. Did you guys have fun?
Yes. Yup, girl, we're ready to go.
Sun so nice. See ice. Wahala. So guys, catch you guys later. Thank you for watching my vlog. See you next time. Bye.